This is the era of cheap drone warfare.
Kyiv endured an aerial assault by Russian drones.
The Kremlin seeing the biggest drone attack yet inside Russia.
Missiles, drones, a barrage of attacks in the Red Sea.
Iran has started a direct attack on Israel by launching dozens of drones.
Drones have changed the landscape of war.
It's like the AK-47 of 21st century warfare.
In the age of rapidly advancing technology, warfare is undergoing a transformation like never before. One of the most significant developments in modern military strategy is the rise of drones. Welcome to our video, where we'll explore why drones are the future of warfare in 2024. Drones, once thought of as mere tools for surveillance or reconnaissance, have evolved into indispensable assets on the battlefield. Today, we'll delve into three main reasons why drones are shaping the future of warfare. First, precision strikes. Our first point, precision strikes. Drones have revolutionized the way military forces conduct targeted attacks with unparalleled accuracy. Unlike traditional airstrikes, which often carry the risk of collateral damage and civilian casualties, drones equipped with advanced targeting systems can precisely hit their intended targets with surgical precision. Take, for instance, the recent conflict in fictional country, where drones played a pivotal role in neutralizing enemy threats while minimizing collateral damage. With the ability to loiter over a target area for extended periods, drones can patiently wait for the optimal moment to strike, ensuring maximum effectiveness while reducing the risk to friendly forces and innocent bystanders. Second, ISR. Our second point, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, commonly known as ISR. Drones are invaluable assets for gathering real-time intelligence and monitoring enemy movements without putting boots on the ground. Equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and even artificial intelligence, drones can provide military commanders with a comprehensive understanding of the battlefield dynamics. In today's asymmetrical warfare environments, where threats can emerge from unexpected locations, having eyes in the sky is more crucial than ever. Drones can cover vast areas and relay vital information back to command centers in real time, enabling swift decision-making and proactive responses to emerging threats. Third, force multiplier. Our third and final point, drones as force multipliers. In modern warfare, the effectiveness of a military force is not solely determined by its size, but by its ability to leverage technology to enhance its capabilities. Drones serve as force multipliers by augmenting the reach and firepower of existing military assets. Whether it's providing close air support to ground troops, conducting electronic warfare operations, or even acting as decoys to confuse enemy defenses, drones excel at complementing traditional military units across various domains. By integrating drones into their operations, military forces can achieve greater flexibility, agility, and lethality on the battlefield. Conclusion. In conclusion, drones are not just a fleeting trend in modern warfare. They are the future. With their ability to deliver precision strikes, gather intelligence, and act as force multipliers, drones have fundamentally changed the way nations approach military conflicts in the 21st century. As we look ahead to the future of warfare in 2024 and beyond, one thing is clear. Drones will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the battlefield landscape. But with great power comes great responsibility. It's essential for nations to carefully consider the ethical and strategic implications of drone warfare to ensure that these advanced technologies are used judiciously and in accordance with international laws and norms. Thank you for joining us.
Ciao.